Hello guys, welcome to Magical Drawing Adventure where you guys can learn and having fun with drawing. Alright, in today's video we going to draw a mushroom, right? Then let's jump together. Alright, at the first one I need you to make this curve like this. So I will start with this line like this, right? Something like this. Okay, after you have this line, then you can have another curve line. So from here I suggest you to make like this. So from here all the way here, right? Then after that you can give this a shape. So from here, so this line will be like this, then all the way down like this. After that you connect this to this part. Okay, then after you have this, you can have continue the curve line from here like this, then again from here to here, right? After you have this, then what you need to do is you need to give some line, so some line here. So from here like 1, okay, and then 2, 3, okay, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? After you have this, then you can give some face. So here I will give eyes here, so something like this. Then you can add small circle like this, right? Hope you guys learned something today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we continue, right? So like this, we can give a small circle again here, so will be like this, right? And after that you can give a smiley face, so this mouth is will be like this, right? Looks beautiful, right? Then after that you can give a red color here to show the cuteness, of course, right? This is, then this one, the other one, right? Okay guys, this is the shape of the mushroom. Then I will color this drawing, then you guys can follow the coloring process. All right, let's go. Alright guys, this is the final result of the mushroom. Hope you guys learning something today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next video. Bye bye guys. Thank you so much.